How do I get the most bang for my buck when it comes to home improvements? Hi, my name is Klaudio Tuku and I'm a real estate agent with Keller Williams. Today I'm going to go over what projects to avoid, repairs that you need to make, and how to select a good contractor to do the work. While upgrading is a great way to your home's existing value, there are plenty of upgrades that simply aren't worth your time or trouble. Upgrading your kitchen to the top of the line or making lavish changes to the landscaping isn't really cost effective. You'll also want to avoid partial upgrades at any cost. While most finished projects will net you something in return, a partial upgrade might actually end up hurting your final sales price. Adding to your home's value isn't impossible though. You just got to make sure you choose the right projects. Consider maybe changing the garage door to something newer and fresher, adding manufactured veneer stone to the exterior. And while you don't want to go crazy with the landscaping, making sure it's nice and clean is always a good first step. Inside, think about mid-range upgrades to the kitchen, carpeting, and a fresh coat of paint. You don't need to break the bank, just make sure things are up to date and functional. A critical step when thinking about home improvements is finding a great contractor. A great contractor will help you control the cost, make high-end suggestions that fit your budget, and make sure the job is done right the first time. So, how do you find this gem of a contractor? Well, start by asking friends and family, and even go through things like Facebook neighborhood pages. And your realtor, of course, can make suggestions. Create a list with the top candidates and interview them to find which one is the best fit. But you don't just want to look at their proposals. You also want to ask for photos of their past works and license and certifications that they hold. As you consider preparing your home for sale, think about the impact that each improvement will have on your home's appeal and value. Remember, strategic investments in your home will play a significant difference in its sales price. Ready to take the next step in maximizing your home's value? As with anything in real estate, the answers might change based on location and comparable sales. I'm here to help. Give me a call or shoot me an email for more personalized suggestions and any questions you might have. Let's work together to get the best price for your house.